Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing the red trimmed with silver and white, and weighing in at an even 168 pounds. From Cranston, Rhode Island, he brings a record of 40 victories with only 5 defeats, 27 KOs, and he has captured 4 world titles. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the 4-time world champion, the challenger, the Tasmanian Devil, Vinny Pazienza.
Good evening. Rhode Island's own Tasmanian Devil is in Kent County Memorial Hospital tonight with a fractured neck.
His parents were shattered. Vinny's father rushed to Kent County Hospital to be with his son.
I walk in, I see my boy laid out, stiff, he couldn't move. He says, "I am dead," and tears are coming out of my eyes.
If he slipped his vertebrae perhaps 4 or 5 millimeters further, then he would have had a severe spinal cord injury. And more than that, he would be quadriplegic.
Dr. Carter had a tear in his eye, and he said, "Son, I'm sorry to say you're not going to box again." I said, "No, Dr. Carter, you're wrong. I am going to box again." I said, "You don't understand what kind of man I am."
Under cover of darkness, with the help of friends sworn to secrecy, he began a program of clandestine
He'd
work.
look at the x-rays. I said, "How's it look, Doc?" He says, "It looks great." He says, "You know, we're coming along." I says, "You sure?" I said, "Nothing's wrong, nothing looks different, everything's fine?" I said, "Yeah, everything's fine. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." I didn't tell him I was working out. I'd go back to the gym and I'd lift heavier weight.
At last, more than 3 months after the crash, it was time for the halo to be removed. One by one, with no anesthetic, the screws were slowly removed.
Vinny's a born fighter, and I could see that to this kid when he was little. He was different from other kids.
Stand in Vinny's way. I'm gonna get there, Mark. It kills me no matter how I try. What happens? I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna do it now.
People from my hometown try to tell me that the war is over. The war is not over. Life is a battle every day. The war's only over when you quit, and I don't quit.
Because I had the drive to come back. I had the heart and soul to come back. But when I win the middleweight championship of the world, that's going to be the icing on this cake.
For the winner and new champion!
I feel great. I just won the world championship again. 3rd time. 2 years after I broke my neck. It's a proud moment for me, my friends, and my family.
And he would send messages like, hit the gym, hip squeak, and all these things, kind of making fun of me, which kind of rubbed me the wrong way. A little bit, it's all good.
Get tough, get tough.
Yeah.
I was trying to get him tough.
Yeah.
I really was.
No offense.